Digital Governance, AI, Cyber Security, amasung skilling ki matangda nongmagi oiba state level workshop pangthokre. Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchandna workshop asigi matengna Manipur'S digital future ke practical oiba roadmap ama semba ngamlagani haina phongdokhi. Workshop asi Manipur Lenga ki Department of Information Technology na Microsoft ka khusamnaduna Imphal gi Civil Secretariat South Block ta pangthokibani. Workshop asi digital governance ta mai onsinduna citizen centric service pinaba AI gi kanaba lauduna inclusive growth lainaba amadi cyber security laihanduna future ready oiba state oihannabani. Workshop asi haudokpagi thoramda Chief Minister na makha taraduna Microsoft ka khusamnaduna asigumba workshop pangthokpa asina governance ta awonba purakpada natana nahasing gi khudong chaba pinaba lambi yakpa ngamgani. Loinana lamdam asida laiba miyamgi punsi mahingda awonba puraknabagi khudong chaba piragani haiki. Lengaki maikaitagi Swiss state asida laiba mipum khudingmakta government na piriba service sing hena nungaiba awonba fanghannaba honagani haina wafam CM na thamladuna Microsoft ke matengdagi lamdam asigi nahasing yauna government official amasung entrepreneurs singda AI amasung cyber security yauna tongan bahiram kayagi maramda ningthina khanghaunabagi khudong chabasu piri. Masina maram oiraga agriculture, health card, education, tourism amasung digital service ke matangda thabak fangnabagi khudong chaba piba da natana entrepreneurship amasung innovation ge Anauba lambi piba ngamlagani haina phongdokhi. Thoramaduda IT gi secretary Somorjit Salam Lenga ki mari lainaba official sing academician amadi entrepreneur kayasu sarukyaki.
Our vision is very clear. We want to build a digital ecosystem that is secure, citizen-centric and inclusive. We are committed to ensuring that every citizen, regardless of where they live, can access efficient and transparent government services. As we accelerated our digital transformation, we remain equally committed to protecting the privacy and the security of our citizens. I believe that this workshop will bring together government departments, academic institutions, public sector organizations, startup, industry leaders, and Microsoft to jointly develop a practical roadmap of Manipur's digital future. Let's work together to build a digital Manipur that is innovative, resilient, and inclusive, ensuring that the benefit of the technology is to every citizen of Manipur.